Hi, this is Judy Sarden. I wanted to tell you about a new finance class for kids that I am hosting starting August 1. It's an 8-week course and it's going to introduce your juniors to things like balance sheets and personal finance. And this is about more than just writing a checkbook and balancing a checkbook, which a lot of times when we think about teaching our kids finance, we're talking about teaching them how to open a bank account and teaching them how to write a check and balance a checkbook. Those are all great skills. Those are all wonderful things to know. But when we look around today, we hear about so many people, they're barely making it day to day. People are just not taught how to manage finances. They don't really understand finance when they're managing their day to day. Well, what I'm proposing to do, what I'm going to do, is teach your kids about real finance. So we're talking about learning about balance sheets. We're talking about learning how to create a balance sheet for your own personal life. We're talking about income statements. We're talking about generating income. We're talking about learning what an asset is and what an asset isn't. And a lot of times, we think of things as assets, but they really aren't when you analyze whether it's helping to generate money for yourself. This class is going to be a prerequisite for my junior entrepreneur class. And the reason why it's a prerequisite is because in our junior entrepreneur class, we are going to be talking about, we're actually going to walk through starting a business. That also will be an 8-week course, and it'll teach kids, actually it won't just teach them, during the 8 weeks, the kids will launch a business, and no matter what business it is. This is going to be a live, both of these classes are going to be live online classes. You can attend the classes live, or you can watch them in replay if you can't make the live class. You can ask questions during the live class. If you can't make the live class and you watch it in replay, you can send me emails and I will respond. I will be the primary teacher. Who am I? Judy Sarden, and I have was a corporate lawyer for over 20 years. I worked with startup companies. I worked with big Fortune 100 companies. And companies in between. I've worked with, I coach business, people who are starting a business, and so I've got over 20 years of legal and business experience. As a backup instructor, actually my husband is going to be teaching as a backup role and to answer certain questions, because we're going to be talking about return on investment also. It's one of the things that he's an expert at. My husband's a Vice President and Director of Operations for a large international company. He's going to be coming in and providing some expertise in some of the, looking at debt and what's good debt versus what's bad debt, return on investment, because that's totally his area. So we'll be talking about other things. Click the link below so that you can get more information about the class. But I just wanted to give you an overview. This class starts August 7th. Registration is through August 1st, and after registration, after August 1st, everyone who's in the class will start getting emails to get up and running so we can hit the ground running at the beginning of class. Who is this class for? It is for middle and high school kids. So, for the younger elementary school kids, not really for them. It really is for kids who are higher level. If you think your kid is ready, that's fine, but it's really going to be geared towards a middle and high school level class. We'll be talking about things like, we'll be discussing some things like, in addition to, making money and saving money, we'll be talking about investing. We'll be talking about, in some situations, we'll be talking about socialism, whether that's good or bad and why. And, I'm not going to be throwing out my own opinions. I'll basically be asking the children. So this is really going to be kind of a higher level, really a thinking class. So that's why I say it's middle and high school. And I'll have two different sections. I'll have a middle school section and a high school section so that conversations can be appropriate for the age group. So I'm really excited to be bringing this class. These are some things that I've been doing with my own children, and as I talk to people, I realize it's really kind of something that's missing. You can take this class whether you're homeschooling or you can take it for an after-school enrichment. I will be hosting the class during school time, because I find even trying to do it after school, you have after school activities, trying to do it on the weekend, you have weekend activities. So if your child is in school during the day, they can watch it in replays and they can still interact with questions and that sort of thing. There will be homework every week. You can do it or not do it. If you do it, it's just more enriching for the child. So it's really a flexible course. You can use it the way you'd like. And if you have any questions, just click on the email link below. You'll find more information. And then if you still have questions about the class, you can shoot me an email. The link will be on the page. Finally, how much does this course cost? The course is $250 for the 8 weeks. If you sign up for the finance class, you will get a discount on the junior entrepreneur class, which will also be $250. So these skills will be needed for that junior entrepreneur class. If you already have these skills and you want to just jump into the entrepreneur class, we can discuss that offline. So that will start in October. So I just want to let everybody know I'm offering this class. I'm really excited about it. And if you have any questions, just click the link below. Thanks.